Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with floating spreads. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When comparing various Forex brokers, it is imperative for traders to research how brokers price their spreads. Spreads offered by brokers can either be variable or referred to as floating, or they can be fixed. Whether one is better than the other comes down to the individual trader and their trading style. Variable spreads are the difference between the buy and sell price of a certain currency pair, which fluctuates in a range. Where a currency pair such as the euro to the US dollar often differs between 1 to 4 pips in normal market conditions, this may widen substantially during times of volatility. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with floating spreads can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with floating spreads. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is a reputable broker which is based in Australia and has a client base consisting of more than 80,000 registered traders. These traders are provided with superior online trading services and solutions that cater to their trading needs and objectives, despite their trading skills, knowledge, experience, or trading styles. Go Markets specializes in trading through more than 600 tradable CFDs and a variety of Forex pairs, shares, indices, precious metals, and commodities. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The Go Web Trader, which is designed to be beginner-friendly and is available as a web browser interface. You will also be able to use premium tools such as MetaTrader Genisis, AutoChartis, and Trading Central. Go Markets offers 2 types of live trading accounts, and clients also have the option to use a risk-free demo account that they can use to practice on or to test new strategies. Both accounts require an initial minimum deposit of $200 Australian and allow traders to be leveraged by up to 500 times the initial deposit amount. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, or if you are new to Forex trading, Go Markets offers several helpful MetaTrader tutorials and a comprehensive introductory guide to Forex trading to help you get started. You can also visit their FAQ section to see answers to some of the most commonly asked questions if you are searching for any additional educational material with Go Markets. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC-regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro, and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best forex brokers with floating spreads, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best forex brokers with floating spreads on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.